I'm as beautiful as this rose. It's so beautiful. I'm so beautiful. Smell that fresh morning here, morning breeze. It's so nice and calm and so refreshing. It's so nice to just stop and just take in the fresh air. Just inhale the fresh air. Just watch nature. Watch nature at its best. Nature is so beautiful. You see the squirrels, you see the birds, you see the pigeon. Literally see everything. And you can listen to the birds sing. Oh, they sing some beautiful melody. So refreshing and so nice. It's so refreshing and so nice to sit in nature. The smell, it smells so good. The smell is so good. And it's so nice. It's so refreshing. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's beautiful to be alive. Ooh, I'm so addicted to flowers. Look how beautiful this flowers is. It's so beautiful. Look how beautiful it is. Wow. These flowers is so beautiful. It's so beautiful. I'm as beautiful as this rose. It's so beautiful. I'm so beautiful.